Well, last 3 overs, the Heroes have managed 41 runs but lost a few wickets in the bargain. At this stage, Karnataka, 136 for the loss of 4 wickets. As the owner, Royal Khan, looking very tense. Required rate now over 11. Run rate just over 7. Left and right combination of the crease. The captain is also there, Shabir. Just on 4. Purvi's done a good job so far. One massive 6 off his blade. This is the field setting against him. Few men stationed in the deep on the offside. Long off. Deep mid-wicket. Long on as well. Gives his all.
It is the big hits, that's the need of the hour. At this stage it is the home favourites, the Bulldozers, who are in charge. And that makes all the crowd so happy. They have churned out in large numbers to support the home side. It's for the Karnataka Bulldozers. Abhimanyu into second over. He got the wicket of Aftab in the previous over. 46 needed from 23 deliveries.
That's Sonu Sood. All looking very tense. Just glued to the centre. Going for the big shot. Man stationed in the deep. Little fumble. And they'll come back for the second. Very good running. This is the urgency they have to show at this stage.
This is brilliant work from Shabir. Good support he receives from his partner. A slight fumble there by Rajiv. And that was enough for them to go through for the second one. These are tense moments. Look at the effort put in by all the players on the field. The batsmen, the fielders.
Going for the big shot in the air. The captain coming underneath. And dear oh dear, missing that one. That should have been taken. But that was not to be.
He had it well covered, Sudeep, with the big gloves. In the end, it just went away from him. It didn't fall in his palm in the cup of the wicketkeeper. Oh, there's so much of despair in the dugout. He's unhappy. He cannot believe it that he has dropped such a catch. Not such an easy one. It went high in the air. It's not easy for these players to focus under lights, especially.
Once again, giving his all, a lot of power. The fielding is getting just better now. Although there was a drop chance by the captain Sudeep, the ground fielding has been good. Looking very tense. Just in the dugout of Mumbai Heroes, the coach Vinder Singh Sandhu, along with the captain who's not playing today, Sunil Shetty. Once again, Tinggaran route, and what a shot! That's tremendous. That is brilliant from a boot. That was a clean strike.
Is he the man who can change the fortune of Heroes here? He makes pace, a little shimmy, and he hits it over wide, long off for a 6. That should make any professional batsman proud. He had to make room to play that shot so that he created that space. And what a blow. Pure timing. Well done, Apurv. So 12 already from this over. 1 delivery left. 35 needed from 19 deliveries.
You know, going inside out, as you rightly mentioned, Sabha, never easy for any batsman. That was a high quality shot. Just coming at the right time. He's got some skills here. Inside edge. More runs. Will be a couple to end the over. 136 for 4.